In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Capcut from the Microsoft Store on Windows. If you want a simple way to install Capcut safely and directly from your computer, the Microsoft Store is one of the easiest options. It helps make sure you're getting the official version of the app, and the installation process is mostly automatic. To begin, go down to your taskbar and click the Start menu, which is the Windows icon. Once the Start menu opens, type Microsoft Store into the search bar. You should see the Microsoft Store app appear in the results. Click on it to open the store. After the Microsoft Store launches, look near the top of the window for the search bar. Click into that bar, type CapCut, and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of search results related to your keyword. Now take a moment to find the official CapCut video editor app in the results. This part is important because you want to make sure you're choosing the correct app and not something similar looking. Under the app title, check the developer name and confirm that it says CapCut or ByteDance. Once you've confirmed that, click on the CapCut app icon to open its product page. On the app page, look to the left side for the blue Get or Install button. Click that button to begin the download. In some cases, Microsoft may ask you to sign into your Microsoft account before continuing. If the app is free, you can often skip that step, but just follow the prompt on your screen if it appears. Once the download starts, simply wait for the progress bar to finish. The Microsoft Store will automatically download and install CapCut for you. When it's done, the app will be ready to open and use on your PC.